Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Manusnam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda beke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kindon ru ki mock test ban penkraya pi na kabenda ka NEET.
Kastorkar jela haga khatnyau tarik ujalio arja penrio kelap yang bentau de ke komiti ban kentubru yau deputy commissioner ke East Jaintia Hills bat kinang yalam ke Jaintia Coal Owners Miners Suppliers and Workers Association nak benta ban penkre ya ke small scale mining policy ban penyo biang ya ke hok chung ki pajba ke rilum Jaintia banti do yong na ki par ki barit haga jinga keren bekilat patai kubor hadin lawai ke jingalang belakot du chief secretary Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed nakaliang jo information secretary Jaintia Coal Owners and Miners Suppliers and Workers Association uba overcome dekhar liatu bahaga jingalang ka sarkar kala menjur ban pensange swa sipor ek jingwara doyong na barjala tat adu banda 1 poi justice BP kateki haga art khonai tri jalio arja penrio liatu baga sarkar kala pensai baga don ka scheme ka blatip ka Meghalaya Environment Protection and Restoration Fund panyarap igi syakta kabala ban yo na ka office jong deputy commissioner ka East Jaintia Hills uba overcome dekhar liatu isu baga sarkar jala kala kular ban sayakren bat ke Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council ban snai ki an ka biade bat ki marpo khandau nakaliang jong kani ka seng uba overcome liatu baka nompat weng satia yek jing ki sya thangan klemput sngi kat baka jingdawa kampat urlong bat nalor kata wat presiden jong kani ka sengru uba Marshal Biam mantau dong don pleng jing sya sumar hospital na ka jing penlong yek jing ki sya jing it ke klemput sngi
minta ngila dia show meeting dengan chief secretary ka tikam kilong kumde ka government kala pediang ban sina kawai ke komiti bat ka office jong DC East Jaintia Hills bat rengkat bat ka association jongi halor ka phang ban draft ya ka small scale mining policy ka baar ka government kala pediang ban pesange sipor ya udewyong bapoy nabar hado banda poy u chief justice katiki aga apodai tarik bran riu arja riu kabalai halor ka scheme ka government kala pensyai bakadon ka scheme kabala ka sarkar kala ayu yaki basyakta ka kerteng ka jong ka scheme ka dai MEPRF hapok office jong u DC East Jaintia Hills kabasaw ka government kala kular ban yakren bat ka JHEDC halor bansina da ka an ya umar po kandeu tang kita ya chispa ngimpat hun namarki ladon ngajing yakren bak dong kin se khot ben yangi ban kren hadin balawan uneu chief justice katiki ngi kadban ngimpat hun ni yai kiteng mat bam taw presiden ru udang don po hospitali po jing sumar hoi jing sya thangan ngimpat ya weng ra ngimpat ya kren hoi don hoi ngin sya thangan baik ini hadu bandawan nu chief justice kumbang meta hangta ke ngin sa la badrai meta tang kene hi i la ban pesngiu ya ga jing sya thangan kan ya hadu balayo long basyai mo ka jing ya dei ban pli yo doyong yang demand ban pli no yo doyong ban yo ban trei urit uria kumba menchua hoi em kata ke ngimpat re keren re kata hoi ya jing dawa jong i ki namar ki kimpat la badrai yung hap up pendalawan chief justice aku kundai tarik hon pat sedang na namar ketua ki ayu ga ketua yung sispa hektar namar ngi setengi urit uria ngimla ngimkot bor nakata gadar ngim pediang ga ngim yakot bor nakata gadar ngi wan bandawa hang ni plino kumpada ki menekin sa draft mo ya gani small scale na bentajong urit uria.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe. through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.